Hello, Steve here from Coles Family Butchers and welcome to my kitchen. A customer came in the shop the other day, nice lady, but she was complaining bitterly that she had to eat roast chicken on Mothering Sunday. Why? Because her daughter will only eat roast chicken. Now I can sympathise with that because my wife loves roast chicken. I adore roast beef. My wife hates it. So I thought, how do I do roast chicken for one? And then it came to me. And for this, you will need 1 Poussin. Well, actually, we'll need 2 Poussin because I'm having one as well. Right, what is a Poussin? A Poussin is a young chicken. It is only a few weeks old. I know that might sound disturbing, but if you think that your average Class A chicken, when you get it on your table for a roast chicken, is only about 12 weeks old, these are a little bit younger. I know it's upsetting, but that is the truth of it. Now, these things they're lovely. They are very, very tender, very succulent. Downside is they don't have too much flavour. They are, how do you put it? What's the word I'm looking for? Oh, I can't remember now. Right, now I did roast chicken for my wife the other day, and she said, "Can I just have some salt on it?" So I introduced the salt pot to the chicken. Chicken meet the salt pot meet the chicken, and that was too much. So then now she's asked if I can just put a little bit of salted butter on hers. So, your wish is my command, dear. Bit of salted butter over the chicken. And we're going to put that in a roasting dish. Right, I like a little bit more flavour in mine, so I'll use the salted butter, but not for at this stage. I'll put it on a bit after. What I'm going to do is an Indian style one, and I'm going to use all the aromatic herbs that you use in curries, for instance coriander, cumin, turmeric, cardamom, cinnamon, ginger, all those sort of things, but I'm not going to put any heat in it, no chilies. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stuff some inside, and I'm going to and also I'll use a bit of a natural yogurt on this as well, and I'm also going to try and shove some inside between the meat and the chicken breast to get some flavour in there. Right, and then all I'm going to do is pop them both. I've only got one small roasting pan, so I have to use a little frying pan for this. I'm then going to put a bit of the fat in there, so I've got something to baste it with. Then I'll pop them in the oven, and this is the other good thing about this, for 45 minutes. In 45 minutes both these birds will be cooked at 190 gas mark 5, alright? And you have roast chicken for 2 in 45 minutes, and I'll see you then. Okay, 45 long minutes have passed, and there is a Poussin, roast Poussin for one person. Now with this, for my dear wife, the one that's covered in just a tiny bit of salted butter, there you have it. I'm going to pour a little bit of the juice over the top. Now my wife, we could have had a roast dinner with all this, but we had a roast dinner only a few days ago, so my wife has opted for a salad that she made. But there's a little bit that I've got to add to that. The je ne sais quoi, as they say. There we go, just for my wife. Right, with me, so I want a bit more flavour in mine. I've done a salad with mine, but not quite as much as my wife has had, because at the end of the day, I'm a bloke, I can only eat so much salad. Drizzle one with a little bit of olive oil. Nice homemade potato salad. And then the Indian style roast chicken for one. There you go. Right, so there you have it. Roast chicken for one. And another one in just 45 minutes. Enjoy.